To manage grass, we have to measure. To measure, we need to have units of measurements. We use a metric system for measuring grass, so if you're currently working in acres, you will need to convert field sizes to hectares. We measure grass in kilograms dry matter per hectare. Grass dry matter ranges between 14 and 28%, depending on the time of year and management. Spring grass like this will have a high dry matter percentage. Converting to dry matter allows us to manage feed allocation to livestock in the same way as we would be allocating kilograms of concentrate or silage. There's a variety of ways to acquire grass measurements. The most common ways are a sward stick, a plate meter, or to cut and weigh a sample. Once we've got data available, then we can start making some calculations. Calculations such as post-grazing residuals, which could be as low as 1300, and target entry covers, which could be as high as 3000. We can calculate growth rates in kilograms dry matter per hectare per day. This can range from 0 to 10 in winter to up to 8 in spring summer. We can also calculate annual grass production in tonnes of dry matter. This can range between 5 tonnes and 15 tonnes depending on farm and system. Join us for the next session when we'll be showing you methods of measuring grass.